Thinking of grabbing that super cheap deal from Temu? But you're in South Africa and wondering if it's legit. Let's break it down, quick and easy. First, the prices. Temu can offer unbelievably low prices because they source directly from manufacturers, cutting out the middleman. It's tempting, right? But here's the catch. Product quality can be enormous. Check reviews. Pay attention to user photos, they'll give you a real-world look at what you might actually receive. Next up, security. Temu has measures in place like secure payment gateways. Look for trust badges, but remember to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts for extra safety, regardless of where you shop online. Always pay with a secure method like a credit card or PayPal. This way, you have recourse if something goes wrong and can dispute the charges. Now, let's talk about shipping to South Africa. Be aware of potential customs duties and taxes. These can significantly increase the final cost of your purchase. Check the South African Revenue Service SARS website for details. So, is Temu safe? It can be. Low prices and a wide selection are big pros, but be smart. Do your research, manage your expectations regarding quality, and factor in those potential customs fees. Happy shopping. Cautiously.